Hello friends, myself Mr. Saqib Riaz Mujawar, working as Assistant Professor in Patil College of Engineering and Technology, Kolhapur, at Department of Electronics and Telecommunication. Today we are going to discuss on the topic Programming Development Life Cycle, PDLC. It is also known as Programming Development Cycle. When a programmer builds a software application, they do not sit down and start writing the code. Instead, they follow a organized plan or a methodology that breaks the process into the series of the task. And this process is known as programming development lifecycle. The programming development lifecycle is a process, is a part of a software lifecycle. It is a set of a phase and steps that are followed by the developer to define, analyze, design, and develop and implement a computer program. It is characterized by following stages. So here you can see the various stages in programming development lifecycle. Stage number 1, problem analysis. Stage 2, problem definition oblique design. Stage 3, algorithm development. Stage 4, program coding. Stage 5, program debugging and testing. Stage 6, documentation and maintenance. And stage 7, implementation. Further, we'll see this each stage in detail. Stage number 1, problem analysis. An accurate and a complete set of client and a user requirement. It defines the problem to be solved, write program specification such as program's input, program's output, and user interface. Thus, in this stage, developer comes to know about the scope within which the problems needs to be developed. It also includes the list of the tools, new tools, and the required facility available for developing the solution. Stage 2, it is a problem definition or known as a design. In this stage, the program is clearly decided and designed by a software engineer. The use of the proper design techniques to illustrate the program specification in systematic way, representing the task required in the program specification such as algorithm, flowchart, pseudocode, JSP, etc. Stage 3, algorithm development. In the stage 3, the algorithm is developed to achieve the basic logic of the selected solution. Developing a detailed logic plan using the tool such as pseudocode, flowchart, object structure diagram to group a program activity into the module. This tool makes the program logic clear for a coding. Once the algorithm is developed, the software programmer starts coding. Stage 4. Program coding. In this stage, produce the program that will make up the system. Translation of design into an application using a programming language. A programming language or code can be written by using a computer language such as machine level language, assembly language, and high level language like C, C++, Pascal, etc. As we know, the machine level language is ones and zeros which we used to use earlier. Afterwards, the assembly language comes into the picture, and nowadays we are using C++. This is known as a high level language. Once the coding is ready, we will step towards the stage 5, which is known as programming, debugging, and testing. Debugging. It is generally done by a developer team. The task of finding and removing the error or a bugs from the program. Testing, which is generally done by a testing team. In testing, the task of locating and identifying of the bugs or a program includes. When the program is completed and all separate module has been tested, a full set of program is performed. If any error in the program will be corrected and the test is repeated. Test 6. Once the coding is completed and the program is ready with error free, it needs to be maintained and documentation. In stage 6, all the processes in all the stages during the system development must be documented or written down. This document is a vital for a future reference for a future maintenance of the program. The program should be properly maintained as per the changing requirement of its user and system. For an example, you can observe that when you install any software on your mobile phone, you are getting updates day by day. This update is nothing but it is maintained and it is done by a documentation and maintaining, and it is upgraded as per the requirement of the user. Stage 7. Once everything is ready, we go for the implementation. When all previous stage has been completed satisfactorily, the system is ready for the implementation. The program is transferred to the user machine. The machine may be anything, your mobile phone, your computer, etc., and made to work. Once the program is installed and operated, it will be monitored for some time to ensure that the program is error free. Thank you. The rest of my written notes are available on the GEMS and on your WhatsApp group. Any query in this, you can contact me through my online WhatsApp or on the GEMS. Thank you, and next tutorial will be available soon.